right, so we just got a brand new dishwasher. It is the GE Profile. This is just the buttons at the top. So yeah, everything looks good there. That's just plain white. We like white. That green stripe is just to hold the flap up. It's just a piece of tape so that we can get underneath it. But yeah, so we will get rid of that. This is the inside. Your soap dispenser. Right there. And this is the bottom rack. Nice and big. Large silverware caddy that is removable. There is also a little cup down there that you take out. It traps all the food that comes off your dishes. And this is the top rack. These are standard, you know, for your stemware. And then this one comes with a third rack. As you can see, there's different ways to use it. You can lay your silverware or large spoons and such up here. And take out the large silverware caddy down below. Gives you instructions of how to use it. It's quite adjustable, as you can see. So yeah, and it shows you the pictures of how to use it as well. And then how to lay out your top rack and your bottom rack for the best options, I guess. To get as many dishes in there as you can. Yeah, so we don't have it installed quite yet. It will be installed tonight. We picked it up last night, so we just didn't have time. So once we get it up and running, I'll let you know how it works.